Imagine spending thousands of dollars on a massive, beautiful OLED TV. You mount it on the wall, sit down on the couch, and turn it on. But instead of a premium experience, you get laggy menus, apps that crash, and a frustrating remote. It feels like buying a Ferrari, but finding a lawnmower engine inside. This is the reality for most smart TV owners today. Even the most expensive screens have terrible built-in software. But Apple has been watching. They know your expensive TV is being held back. That is why the upcoming 2026 Apple TV is not just a small update. It is a complete takeover of your living room. Apple is preparing to launch a little black box that is more powerful than many laptops. At the heart of this change is the A17 Pro chip. Why does a TV box need a high-end gaming processor? The answer is raw power. While most smart TVs struggle to just open Netflix, this new Apple TV will handle complex tasks instantly. This device will be the first to bring localized Apple Intelligence directly to your big screen. This is a total shift in how you watch TV. With new on-screen awareness, the 2026 Apple TV will actually understand what you are watching. If you're watching a football game, you could just ask out loud for a player's stats. Siri will look at the game, recognize the player, and give you the data instantly. No more digging for your phone. And because the A17 Pro chip is so powerful, all of this happens locally. Your voice commands never leave the device. The response time is nearly instant, and your privacy is 100% secure. But power means nothing without a great picture. We all know the struggle of movies being too dark. Apple is fixing this with Dolby Vision 2 and Precision Black technology. It intelligently lifts the shadows while keeping colors vibrant. It also includes light sense. Sensors check how much light is in your room and automatically adjust the screen. You will never have to mess with picture settings again. For audio lovers, this brings the holy grail called True Audio Pass-Through. The 2026 model will pass raw audio directly to your receiver. Your expensive speakers will finally do the job they were built for. You will not just hear the movie explosions, you will feel them in your chest. Now, let's talk about the most controversial feature. For the first time ever, Apple is rumored to be putting a camera directly into the front of the device. A built-in wide-angle lens turns your living room into a high-tech communication hub. Smart tracking technology keeps you and your family perfectly in the frame for FaceTime calls, even if you're walking around the room. Apple knows privacy is a big concern, so they will likely include a physical privacy shutter to make all these 4K video calls and heavy AI tasks work perfectly. Apple is adding the N1 networking chip with Wi-Fi 7. This chip ensures lag is a thing of the past. Your connection will remain flawless, even if everyone else in the house is using the internet. Rumors suggest this new Pro model will cost around $199. Apple is giving you a high-end gaming console, a smart home hub, and a communication center all in one. In my opinion, fixing the frustration of laggy TV menus and getting true cinema quality is worth every single penny. The way we use our televisions is about to change forever. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments if you are ready for a camera on your TV.